Hola, hola, hola guys, it's me and I'm coming to you with a haul video. So for those of you who know or didn't know, this week that is ending unfortunately is the VIB sale at Sephora. The first ones that have access are the Rouge, and we get 20% off for this week until Sunday, I believe. It's before the 3rd, which is Monday. So I just wanted to show you the stuff that I got personally. Kind of funny because I ended up actually getting stuff I kind of needed / wanted. So I just wanted to show you what I got. I lined everything behind me because I just didn't feel like pulling out my table and lining everything down. So I have everything behind me. I'm just going to show you one by one what I got. Let's get started. So first of all, just to throw it out there, if you have not renewed your Rouge membership, just want to let you know that I did, and we had a choice of 2 gifts, which was a makeup bag and a makeup brush. I picked the bag. I just want to show the bag to you because if you are going to renew and you're gonna choose your gift, I highly recommend that you get the bag instead of the stupid makeup brush. It's a little mini makeup brush, like who cares? I got mine last year and I don't even use it. I don't care for it. But this, do you see how nice and sexy this is? This, I mean, I was shocked when I saw it. Fits all my stuff. All of my makeup is in here. I'm very much shocked. It seems that their rewards have gotten a lot better recently as far as quality. So thumbs up to Sephora because yeah, I pay your rent. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the products that I got. Now the first product, which I'm going to show you right off the bat, is this beautiful makeup bag right here. I was going to close it, but I'll just show it to you this way. Love this bag. I have seen it for a while now online. It was in stores a while ago, but it's sold out and it has not come back in stores. However, it is online. It is in the sales section and it is $28. If you get this by itself, it'll go down to $24. But I just had to get this because the first time I wanted it and was sold out, and then it sold out online, and I was kicking myself because I wanted it. So when I saw it again, I was like, this is my chance to get this bag. So I just absolutely love this bag. Now on the website, I know that it looks white, but it's actually more of a silver based color. If you could see that, it's kind of like a pewter silver and not white. There are 2 compartments here, as you can see. This is the first compartment, which is the general compartment, which fits all of your makeup, and it is rather spacious, I'm gonna say. It also has these elastic in the corner where you can stabilize and fit in some of your products or what have you. And then I'm gonna close the bottom so that I can show you the second compartment, which is up here. And once you open this pretty much has a little zipper here where you can put things in it or what have you. And then it has this compartment here where you can store brushes. Okay, you can probably put a palette here, what have you. And I just totally love this bag. Perfect for travel, perfect for indoor use, which is what I'm going to use it for. I actually just want to put in some of my everyday makeup essentials. I just like to have a separate compartment of makeup that I use every day, and this is going to be perfect for that. Love it so much. So I recommend that you scoop up that makeup bag if you're looking for one, especially because it's in high demand now and it'll probably be sold out only because it was before. So the next product, and I'm going behind, this was a product that I needed, so I bought it. This is the Urban Decay DeSlick, and this is the oil makeup setting spray. If you have not tried it and you have oily skin, you have trouble setting your skin, setting your makeup on your skin, I suggest that you try this product. I have gone through a lot of setting sprays, and honestly, I hadn't really used setting spray just because I felt that they didn't do anything. None of them did anything. My skin was still greasy after some time. And honestly, I've accepted the fact that my skin is going to be greasy. There is no magic product out there that's going to just leave your skin dry and matte for hours and hours. It's just not going to happen. But this product here is the closest that I have found in a product that controls my oil. I can honestly say that. I blot less with this because I do carry blotting sheets. I just have to. I have an oily T-zone, but I find that this actually helps me out, and it helps my makeup stay matte a little bit longer, and I actually do use blotting sheets less. So don't take my word for it. If you're interested, you can try it out. This one is what, $32 or something like that, but they have the small size, the travel size, for $15. If you're interested and you just want to try it out, then I suggest you try the small one out. That's how I did it. I bought the travel size, and then once I saw I really liked it, I moved on and I bought the full size. So next product, these are actually perfumes, and these were treats. I did not need them, but I wanted them. So my new brand as of late, my new favorite brand as of late is the brand Nest. If you have not tried this brand, I highly recommend that you try this brand. It's not the cheapest brand, but it's a little less than other brands out there. You can also find this brand, I believe, on QVC, if I'm not mistaken. So the two that I purchased was the Indigo, and this one is Cocoa Woods. These are both new fragrances. Both completely different, distinct fragrances. I really can't explain this one very well. It's a very light scent if you're into, you know, these light, fresh scents that are not heavy. This is definitely going to be something that you're gonna like. My favorite one of the two, although I do like that one, but my favorite of the two would be Cocoa Woods, because Cocoa Woods is actually a little more of a stronger woodsy scent. So if you're into earthly scents, if you're into woodsy scents, I would recommend Cocoa Woods. That is my phone. You know, no one bothers me when I am filming. Why are they bothering me now? Has really, really nice scents in here, really nice notes. I forgot the major note, but on me, because everyone's chemistry is different, when it fades away, it kind of leaves this warm vanilla scent, kind of, which is kind of nice. I'm not really a vanilla person, and it kind of leaves that scent, even though that isn't one of the notes. But either way, everyone's chemistry is different. But however, I do enjoy these scents. If you're interested in getting this, if you are Rouge, 20% off. There are $72 with the discount. It goes down to $55. Not sure. I know other VIBs get, I think, 15% and others get 10%. So you'll do the math with that. Next product. Now this is a product that's been around for ever, and I just never got it as much as I wanted to, honestly, because I just felt like it wasn't gonna look good on me. So this is from Fenty Beauty, and this is actually the Trophy Wife highlighter. I know a lot of you may have it. You know, it was the rave, still is the rave. I mean, everybody is like floored all over it. I loved it. But I just thought there's no way that I'm going to pull it off because it's so freaking gold. And I'm just going to look like a freak show. But no, it's not true. I'm actually wearing the highlight as we speak, and I love it. If you haven't seen it up close, if you haven't seen it, here it is. And here is the swatch. I mean, that is gorgeous. And this is a freestyle highlighter, so you can use this on your eyes, you can use this on your décolleté, on your shoulders, or what have you. No holds barred. You can use this on anything. And you know, I'll be honest with you, because I am not one for sparkly stuff, very glittery highlighters that have a bunch of glitter. I really am not crazy about that, but I'm not mad at this highlighter, so I'm definitely going to be keeping it. I was telling myself, I'm going to get it, you know, worst comes to worst, if I don't like it, whatever, you know, I'll take it back. But not taking it back, I think it's found a home. Next product that I got, This is actually a new product, so I know nothing about this brand, nothing about this product. I'm gonna work it out. Maybe I can do a review on this. This is from Dominque Cosmetics. There's about 3 items on the Sephora site. 2 of them are palettes. One was like a brightly colored palette, which I passed on it because we're entering fall, and I'm like, I'm kind of, you know, gonna start calming down from the bright colors. So I went and got this palette, which is more of a fall type palette, but you can use all year round or whatever, but just some nice warmer colors that I actually was interested in. This is the Latte palette, as you can see, and I'm just gonna show you the colors. It's just beautiful. Oh my god. I mean, do you see the colors? They are absolutely gorgeous. I saw nothing but good reviews on the website, so I just wanted to try it out. Those are the swatches. I mean, what grabbed my eye were like these 2, this nice burgundy and this dark turquoisey color. So I'm really looking forward to trying this palette out. Very nice. I think it was $42 if I'm not mistaken. So yeah, so this was a treat because Lord knows I don't need it, but I sure wanted it. So next product, because I ran out of toner, and this was a need and a want, but more of a need. I have not tried this before though. This is from Neogen, which I am familiar with the brand because I have used Neogen products. This is a K-beauty brand, which I absolutely love, and I do like Neogen. I just have not tried this toner. This is the Real Flower Cleansing Water Calendula flower, and it's a soothing bio cleanser. This is a toner. You can use this as a makeup remover, but I am going to be using it more as a toner. There are petals of the calendula flower inside, so that's going to be interesting. But here is the product. Let me smell it right quick. It doesn't smell too bad. It actually is a very light, fresh scent, nothing crazy. So this is going to be my toner because I needed some toner desperately in my life. And the last products, oh my god, I can't believe I'm done with my products. These products, and I possibly may be doing a review on these. These products, both of them are from Kat Von D. This is the Kat Von D Lash Liner and the Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. So if you have not seen these products, one of them is for the waterline, and this is how the product looks. You can use this for the waterline. It is supposed to be smudge proof, budge proof, waterproof. For the waterline, I don't really use it too much on the waterline because I don't really line very much with my waterline. However, I wanted this product to try tight lining with it, which so far has been great. So I may be doing a review on this and maybe a demo on how I use this product. The second product is the Dagger Liner. This literally came out, I believe, this week, if I'm not mistaken. Did it? I came like a couple days after it came out or something. I don't know. Anyway, it's new. So this is revolutionary because she changed the tip, and this is supposed to help you further improve making your cat line. So I don't know if you see that, but the tip is at a very small slant, and this is what helps you to make a sharper, thinner line, so that you can do your wing. Now I will tell you that there was a learning streak. In the beginning when I got it, I was just making a mess and I was like, oh no honey, this is going back. But I'm learning, and I think I'm kind of improving a little more. So yeah, I'm gonna keep working on that. But I'm thinking of maybe possibly doing a review just so that I can go more in depth with the formulation and all that stuff. So if you want a review on that, then you can like this video or comment or let me know. Either way. So yeah, man, these are the products that I got. It's my Rouge week sale of shopping. Definitely got a mix of things. I got needs and I got wants, and everybody's happy. So because Sephora has my money and I have my products. So just wanted to show you guys. Thank you for watching me ramble and show my products, and I will see you guys very, very soon. God bless you guys. Adios.